To install looselay vinyl over concrete in a basement bathroom, the surface needs to be well swept and vacuumed so there's no grit or particles, and the floor needs to be smooth. John points out where he's done some patching to smooth the surface. He rolls out the vinyl, which has been roughly cut to fit the room, and trims it to make it easier to work with. Though we don't show all the tools for this job, John uses a pencil, a banana knife, drywall knife with a sharp blade, a broom, vacuum, silicone glue, a fan, an electric drill with a cement bit, 1 inch by number 5 screws, plastic shields to hold the screws in place, tin snips, and a plastic trowel, along with transition molding and vinyl. He rolls back the vinyl and lays it flat to avoid creasing, and begins to apply glue to the exposed surface. The name looselay is a bit of a red herring. The product can be installed loosely, but we recommend gluing it down to keep it lying flat, particularly in a bathroom. John applies a thin coating of glue specifically made for vinyl-backed vinyl, making sure not to leave any excess. The glue is a bit expensive, but worth it. After drying for half an hour, he lays the vinyl back in place over the glued surface. Here, he's applied glue to the other half of the room and trims along the wall and bathtub while the glue is drying. He can use a fan to reduce the drying time from half an hour to about 20 minutes. He lays down the rest of the vinyl and smooths the entire surface with his hands to make sure the vinyl's in contact with the glue. In a larger room, he'd use a vinyl roller. He finishes up the trimming along the walls, then applies a thin bead of silicone along the side of the tub and smooths it out with his finger. Though we don't show the entire process, he finishes by cutting a transition molding, marks where the screws go with a pencil, drills the holes, puts in plastic shields to hold the number 5 screws in place, then secures the molding.